Hello, Farnsworth families. I am Dr. Stocker and I teach 7th and 8th graders ELA. During distance learning, assignments for my classes are always posted in Schoology in the materials section on Mondays and Wednesdays. Our next unit will be telling our stories in 7th grade and memoir in 8th. Students recently completed work on story structure. Just a reminder that all assignments are worth 20% of your grade and assessments are worth 80%. If you or your child need help or would like more of a challenge, please visit me on Google Meet during my office hours. Code FAUCLA, Monday 2:40 to 4, Tuesday 9:40 to 11, Wednesday 2:40 to 4, Thursday 2:40 to 4, and Friday 9:40 to 11. You can also email me at jacqueline.stocker@spps.org, and you may also see a text from me at 612-293-7368. In ELA, students read and then they write. This is a suggestion for a reading website, eslbits.net. Students can write in the comment box. They would click below the assignment. Students get to choose a Flipgrid group. This is required from sports, mystery, historical fiction, comedy, or fantasy. There are YouTube videos for parents and guardians about getting information from Schoology, including email, grade updates. Search Parent View Schoology grades, and it shows where the grades are. And on the right, you can click on this arrow. It brings down this menu. Click Notifications, and you can choose how often you would want email reports. Thank you so much. I'll look forward to seeing you soon.